Miguel! Miguel! Get it, Miguel! Now!
Oh.
Pass! You play! Wait! Play! Play! Yes! Hey! Hey, man!
You're not going to get this call. We're not going to get any calls.
Yeah.
I learned that every time.
Oh no.
Especially with this guy.
No way there, Jack! Right press!
Hey, ref, we got a hurt kid.
They'll call it when we have the ball.
Let's go! Six!
There you go. Go.
Jimmy him, please! Jimmy him!
Oh.
Yes! He can! Wilson, with me!
Good job, Jack.
Get it, Miguel!
He waited. Drop it.
Now!
Casey, we got a window.
Right on one. No. Jack.
He's new. I don't remember him. They brought up 2 players. Yeah.
Just they didn't have enough players?
Yeah. What they're trying to do is they're trying to stack their team, right? Ooh. Help him out.
Oh. Watch out.
Good job, Danny.
Miguel, go to him. Hey! Hey, Jeff!
Oh, what? No. Had no control of the ball, and then the defender got in front of him.
You know that one!
Well, this coach is going to be all over these
Go!
Ooh.
Oh. Come on, Jack. Get him, Jack.
Six!
Good.
Now.
Shoot it. Yeah! Oh! Shoot it. Shoot. Good.
No, ya too late. Wait, espéralo. Tenemos que
There it is.
agarrarle un poste.
Oh.
Come on, look at that. They're both there.
Good.
Yes!
Oh. Good pass. Good job, Jack.
Byron, what you doing? No, please, Byron. Give back to him. Yes. Diagonal. Say it. kid, watch out!
Turn, you gotta go to the ball.
Good job, Alex.
Get it up!
Ow.
Ooh. Help him. There's 3 of you there. Good throw. Oh, good.
Great ball.
Vic, you got it. Shoot. Shoot.
Shoot it. Shoot. Okay.
Come on.
There it is. Boom.
Ooh, that's a
Oh.
way to be there, man.
You are far away from him. Go, yes! Alejandro cabecea.
Yeah.
Control, contrólelo. No, control the ball, look! Ajá, pass, get it, go, Miguel, go! Pass.
Oh!
Miguel, sube.
Oop. Not to him. Not to him.
Good job, Alejandro.
Oh! Good job. Come on.
Okay, watch out!
Pass and go. Pass and go.
Oh, almost.
Okay,
Okay,
Oh, that, oh
Go, Zeke, go, Zeke, go, Zeke.
shoot it.
shoot it!
Oh, good save.
Good try, Zeke.
Good shot. Good pass. Was that McKillop that passed it?
Run. Watch out, you back, Jack.
High kick.
Kia, you watching?
Ooh.
Byron, close to him. Byron, hit it.
Oop.
Otra vez. Good job, Byron. Got centered, yeah.
Good job. Yeah. Oh!
Run. He's not gonna go. He's not gonna go.
He-
Jack.
They're gonna do that. They should involve these guys.
Oh, body. They're having a hard time getting by him. He's way too open.
Still pretty rough.
Yay!
Oh, a little too hard. Oh, good. Ooh. Good pass.
Oh.
That's even his left foot. Oh, Zeke.
Ay, ay, ay. Eri, fuerte. Espéralo, Alejandro, espéralo. Ahora.
Ooh. Good job.
Yes!
Push him off sides, guys. Oh, good control. Yeah. Oh, that's a good setup right there.
Go, 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 go.
Oh.
Pass, pass. Look for Jack, Luke. He's open. There we go.
It's gonna go.
Oh, that's impediment. He was using his... Stay up, Mikhail. Mik Oh, get it over, get it over. Good. Luke. Didn't the ball go out on the other side? Oh, keep it smoother, Mikhail. Too much. Fast! Oh. Come on, David. Go to the ball.
You are watching.
Oh, too hard, too hard. Oh, good job. They are not looking very good, are they? Yeah.
Like they lost their identity or something.
Yeah.
But if they're pulling players back and forth, they don't have any continuity.
Oh, good pass.
Oh.
Shoot that. Oh. Ooh.
No, Miguel, come here! Miguel, come here! Come, receive the ball! Look, watch out offside. Oh, look, watch out offside. Get it!
Oh! They need to come more on that angle over there.
So watch out! Jack! Look at your back!
He's not passing.
I know they might have brought that kid up front, but he does not pass.
No. Ooh. Pass it, pass it. Oh, he's off. Yes! They got that down. Ooh.
Are you okay, Miguel? Get it, David, get it, David. Alejandro atrás. Right on for you. Other way.
Good.
Miguel, come here with the jack. Jack, take your time, Miguel. Chin, chin.
Ooh.
Jack, get it. Jack, Jack.
Come on, guys. Step up on that. Good job, David.
Daniel, más atrás.
Press him.
Presiónalo.
Good kick.
You get it, Jack. You get it.
Ding is here. Control, Ding is here. No control, Ding is here. Look, Ding is here. Tiki-taka, you're passing the block.
Good pass.
No. Watch my guy.
You watch your guy.
No. Okay. No, what? That's okay. Look, that's okay.
Screen it, screen it. Oh. Good pass. Ooh.
Yes.
A little too hard.
Mirando con quién. Ahora.
Ooh.
Llámalo ese loco.
Oh, good pass. Oh! That was...
You gotta do when you're running.
Come on, Mikkel. Good pass. Shoot it. Where's everybody? Oh. Oh. Wasn't that the player that kicked that ball? Ooh, that was good. Oh, you should have went for it, Zeke.
Take your time. Up, all right, Jack, pull up.
Good switch. Good kick, Lucas.
Hey, look at him.
Oh, good pass.
Shoot it, gol. Puede ya gol. Pass. No, right side, Jack. Miguel, no.
Run.
Wilson back. Lucas, close to him. Lucas, close to him.
Mikkel.
Byron, the other way. Wait, yeah. No. Corre, David. Niño, ball, Lucas, Jack, the other way. Go, Miguel. Jack, the other way, check it out, watch out, Pearson. Miguel. Niño, forward, he's back. Watch out, Daniel, cuidado, Daniel. Míralo acá. Más atrás, David, mira. Miguel, mirando, ¿con quién? Look at the other way. Get it, Jack. Get it.
Good job, Lucas. There we go.
Up, up, up! Get a look, get a look, get a look! Miguel!
Come on, Mikkel.
Mairo! Controlo! Pass! Wilson! Get a seat! Get a seat! Go for King!
Good kick.
Yes! Go!
Oh, good pass.
Yes!
Oh!
Handball!
Ooh.
Corre, corre. Una, bótala, bótala.
Oh. Good job, Danny. Oh, too hard. Oh.
Hay que estar listo, no.
Jackson, get back and help!
Daddy, atrás. Wilson, come back, come back. Wilson. Niño, come here. Go. Go the ball. Drop. No, drop. David, wait.
Don't slow down, don't slow down. Slow down, Mikkel. Callan just jogging.
No, no. Get out!
Hurt. Oh.
Hey, hey, hey. Daniel! Bien, hijo. Control. Oh, get it, get it, get it. Yes.
Good job, Pearson. Good job, Jack. Wow, good kick. Ooh. Oop, too hard. Oh. Yeah, they are. But he always like slows down right at the ball. I'm like,
Good job, Miguel. ball, pass. Bien, Eric, control, control. Get it. Ball, Luca, play your friend. Watch out. Play your time, Juan, David, cuidado. Bien, Alex. Drop. Hey. Cuidado con el offside. Jack, ball back. Run back. Daniel, ¿listo? No, Daniel sale, está mirando. No que te cuelgue.
Go in the middle.
Catch one. Byron, catch one. Byron, agarra uno. Daniel. Yes. Quick. Go. Thiago. Sweet. No the man. Pass. Hey, pasa atrás. Get it. Watch out. Go, Pearson. Very bien, hijo. Byron. Hey! Look, run! Another seat, watch out outside. Ole!
Good.
Look at Jack! Byron, run to right. So watch out inside. Yeah, Jack! After one!
Oh, a little too hard. Keep playing, guys. Keep playing.
Okay, huevo. Huevo mirando.
Oh.
Niño. Yes. Control. Chip.
Good switch.
Ah! Behind you, David. Behind you, here will take you back. I'll take you back. David, juégale, juégale.